press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Another video here. You guys got this this problem in your Silverado, or your Tahoes, your Suburbans, your Yukons. Well, we're gonna fix it today. We're gonna fix it for under $100, and it's gonna look good. So start by taking this out here, and then mine actually just lifts right up with the whole thing. Tabs are all busted and everything. So first thing you're gonna do is take out this. It's on the back side. That is the piece there, but this actually screws like a screw. So all I did was, it doesn't unplug, so you screw it in. It's got a little groove here. You just screw it in, and then take out any other parts, you know, with the clips on them that are stuck in there. And that's what the dashboard looks like. Again, guys, I'm doing another petition in the description below. Please sign the petition. We're going to try to get this covered over the next couple years by GM themselves. Look at this thing. I mean, how can you make a truck, you know, 5 years old and you already got busted up door panels and stuff? It's because you use cheap product. So let's go ahead and put the new one in now. I ordered this one. I'll put the link in the description below off of, I think it was Amazon. So I'll go ahead and I'll put that link in the description below, and we'll pull it out of the box and see what she looks like. It's supposed to be a factory replacement. It's not a dash cap, so let's see. Alright. Very well packed. So the company who makes these, very impressed with. For less than $100. Factory part on this, they want like $400 or $500. Used, they want like $300, $250, $300. This is a damn good replica. It's even painted and everything. Wow. Wow, it even matches really good. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take off this this plastic piece here off your original. So slide that off like that. Keep that, because we're going to use it. These are the tabs that they give you in the box, and all you're going to do is just simply put those right over top of the bushings. And this will simply just, this is great. I mean, this is really well made, and it's very simple to do. Right, so we got all of our pins in. Let's go and install her. Alright, so I want to get out of the sun, but also wanted to show you guys you don't need glue for this. So I looked at how the other one was attached, and you actually take it, you put it in like that, and then you bend it in, and it holds. So you gotta do a certain section at a time. Bend it, hold it, bend it, hold it, bend it, hold it, and then sort of feed it in there. It fits perfectly. Like, you guys are going to be very impressed with this part. Look at that. It's perfect. I don't even have to paint it. So here's an up close of what I was trying to show you. So you take this, put it in the bottom, and then you rotate it up. Sorry, you put it in there, put it like this, and then rotate it up underneath. Let's go put it in. so the next thing you're going to want to do is, that was my Bose speaker. There's a little hole right up here. That's a 9/32nd nut in there. Now be careful, because this is where the airbag is. Let's try to take this off now. Take off the little weather stripping there. We still got a little bit of play in there, so we got to take it out a little more. Handheld. Right. Alright, so now you got that loose. It's just one screw goes right here, and you have a push-in tab there, and a looks like a little holder right there. Let's go do the other side now, get that one taken care of, and then we'll be able to install the dash and then put this on top over it. So let's do that. Your side now. You got a clip there and a clip there, and these look like it's definitely bigger than 9/32. So switching over now, multitasking. The old, my needle nose pliers are rusted. It's hard for me to operate one hand and hold the camera. The old clips, you want to get those out of all your holes. There's one there, one there, one there. So it's a pain in the butt. But I'm gonna get it. So oh, that one fell in. That one fell in. We're 2 for 2. Let's see if we can make it 3 for 3. I got it from the back side. One more. Alright, now those are all out. So let's get our tool to take this and this out. The grip handle on here and here. So let's do that now. Guys, 10mm. If you have a drill, it'll be a lot quicker. Now that we got that out, go ahead and take down your weather guarding there. This is just gonna pop out like so. See that pop, it pulls right down right there, and then you just go to the left. And this one is in there. So we still got a piece of the old dashboard in there. All right. All right, we got to get that out right there. This right here. All right. Now that all that's out, I'll show you how to install the dashboard here. It has to go in simultaneously with our side piece here. So we're going to feed that through there like that. And then we're going to install it. So let me feed that in off camera and I'll show you what I did. Better yet, I'm going to do it on camera. If the camera's shaky, sorry about that. I'm trying to do it while you guys are watching, so. Alright, so there's actually a groove that you can put this into. So I'm in the groove now. You'll see it up underneath. And then you're going to go ahead and move it in place. Don't snap anything in the dashboard in yet, okay? So there it is right there. Now we're going to go to the other side. We've got to get the other side in. Okay, here's the other side. The other side, what we're going to do is same thing. And you guys can see this. You got to feed it in. This little point right here, there's a slot for it in the dash. So try to find that slot and get it in there without pulling the other side out. All right, I'm in. All right, now that we have access, go ahead and twist it up in there. I got our sensor back in, so let's try this again. We got to put this side back in now. Wow, that went in really easy this time. Second time's a charm. All right. Now we're just gonna push down our places that we got to push down. Sensor's still in. Boom. There we go. Looks great. Really good. Clean up our dash and there she is. Brand new. Alright. Let's put our pieces back together here. Snap that in there. Put our weather guard back up. Same thing on this side. Can't believe how nice this actually worked out. Looks really good. Brand new. Awesome. All right, let's put this back up. Put our weather guard back in. And put our door handle on. And that's all she wrote. Well guys, I hope you guys signed the petition. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching my video. Remember, all links are below, the petition and the links below, to get this thing wrapped up. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.